at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame.
What's up, guys? In today's video, we're about to go meet up with the owner of Peak Brand. Got my friend LBC J4 in. Hey guys, so I bought a full face. It's supposed to come today. I was supposed to be wearing it right now, but it didn't come in time. So when I left, it was like 6 stops away. Oh, it's so annoying. But full face next fit. Cause I'll still have to mount the camera and stuff, but cause right now this camera is so in my face I can barely see. So with the full face, I'll be able to chin mount it. So it'll be a lot better. So the full face will be a lot better, and I'll protect my head a lot more. I've been wanting to get one ever since I got hit by a car. So I finally got one, but I'll see you guys back when we get to this meetup spot. Let's go. What did she say? Want to race?
Hey, you want to?
Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm pretty close.
True.
Yeah, I'm like,
Yes, really bad. My friend went in a coma from that moto cop. Getting clips of Jaden right now. We've all been getting clips, but I can't show it too much because it's a specific thing we're filming. The video will get demonetized. Bro, this kid thinks he's washed right now, bro. Look at this. Crisscrossing.
still filming. It's been filming.
Yo, did I?
Oh, got that shit on video.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's about 9 days later after the crash. There low-key was not much damage to the bike at all. Like, just the rear decal, which I'm gonna reprint. Just gotta get new pegs, new grip. The Wert 9 throttle tube kind of messed up a little, it's not as smooth. New front fender, even that scratched a little. Might just take the forks off, polish those ends, but overall, the bike is chilling. That's just polish. It wipes off. But so what happened to me was I fractured my wrist. I'll put up a picture of my face when the crash happened. It's gonna be blurred because YouTube. But what ended up happening was I went face first to the floor and I knocked my tooth out. I got on video, but you can't really see how bad it was. But my whole face was like bloody, messed up. So I was unconscious for about 30 seconds and then I don't remember like 5 minutes before and like 40 minutes after. At the 40 minutes when I remember, it's just like in and out. I don't really remember much. Sorry if I'm talking a little weird. My lip is still messed up. It has stitches on it, so it's a little harder to talk. Overall, there's not much damage to the bike at all, which is super good. Hopefully I'll be back riding soon. Just gotta let my wrist heal. That's really all I'm waiting for. My face healed pretty quickly. It's almost fully healed. And thank you to everyone that was there that helped me out. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. What's so crazy is that if I would have waited 12 minutes, the full face would have got delivered. It got delivered 12 minutes after I left. And if I would have waited, even if I did end up falling, my face would have been perfectly fine. My tooth would have been fine. I probably would have jumped up and rode home. And the wrist pain would have came like once I got home. But just enough to ride home, you know? Which, pretty crazy to think about. Hopefully by next week I'll be riding again and I'll be able to film a video. But let's cue it inside to show you guys my new helmet. Let's go. My bad, in the last clip I forgot to record horizontally. But look at this helmet. Holy. Bro, the SM7 is so nice. Even already got the GoPro mounted. Instead of having it up here and blocking my vision and stuff, I put it down here. Made it so it still points up, points down, so way better point of view now.
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could